Hello friends. After our first video of career scope in field of agriculture, architecture, construction, communication, arts, education, and business management, here today we share one new video of jobs and careers segment in field of finance, government and public administration, health science, hospitality and tourism, and human services. Let's start with finance, and after public admin, health science, tourism and hospitality, moreover, human services. So first one is finance. Here we explain different sector which is part of finance sector, like actuary department, bill and account collector, bookkeeper, brokerage clerk, claims adjustment and examiners, chief financial officer, credit analyst, economist, financial advisor, financial analyst and examiners, financial manager, financial services and sales agent, financial specialist, insurance appraiser, insurance claims clerk, loan officer, market research analyst, tax examiner and collectors. Now next one is government and public administration. Here we explain only career cluster in this segment. In details we have planned to separate video as this segment is very vast. So, first is governance. After national security, foreign service, planning department, revenue and taxation, regulation sector, and one more is public management and administration. Another one is health science. So career path in health science sector divide into 29 different profession. Namely, anesthesiologist, athletic trainer, chiropractor, dental assistants and hygienists, dentist, dietitians and nutritionist, medical doctor, emergency medical technician, licensed practical nurse, medical and health service manager, medical assistant, medical records technician, occupational therapist, optometrist, orthodontist, pharmacist, pharmacy technician, physical therapist. Further, physician assistant, podiatrist, psychiatrist, radiology technician, recreational therapist, registered nurse, respiratory therapist, surgeon, speech luggage pathologist, veterinarian, and last one is veterinary assistant. So friends, here in all segment we try to make list dictionary based so we can cover more profession or field. What is next is hospitality and tourism. In this field including profession of amusement and recreation attendant, bellhop, bartender, chef, coaches and scouts, cook, dishwasher, food preparation worker, food service manager, gaming and sports book writer, gaming cage worker, gaming dealer, gaming manager, hotel desk clerk, maids and housekeepers, recreation worker. Moreover, tour guide, travel agent, umpires and referees, waiters and waitresses. Furthermore is human services. Career path of human services dividing in child care worker, clergy, clinical psychologist, counselor, education psychologist, marriage and family therapist, probation officer, social worker, sociologist, and after on is substance abuse counselor. Hope you like video. Please, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Move on. We are back soon with new updates. Thank you for watching.